Today, I'm going to show you two simple methods for adding a black screen in CapCut. Whether you're looking to create a dramatic pause, emphasize a transition, or just need a blank moment in your videos, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to do it confidently. Let's dive right in. First up is a super straightforward way, creating a gap between your clips. So, once you've launched CapCut, start by dragging your first video clip into the timeline, right there on the main track. Here's a quick tip. CapCut wants clips to snap together automatically, which is great for most editing, but not so much when you want intentional gaps. To fix that, look at the top of your timeline for the main track magnet icon. Go ahead and disable it. This little move is key because it lets you manually place clips wherever you want without them sticking together. Next, add your second video clip onto the timeline. But this time, stop for a moment and leave a space, a gap between the first and second clips. You'll notice that CapCut fills this empty space with a black screen. This black isn't just an absence, it creates a useful visual pause, like a breath in your video, which can really highlight what comes next or give your viewers a second to think. Now, before moving on, take a moment to adjust the length of that gap. Just click and drag the edge. Make the pause as brief as a blink, or extend it longer for dramatic effect. The beauty of this method is it gives you precise control over how long your viewers see a black screen. Think of it as controlling the rhythm of your story. Every second matters. All right, let's jump into the second method, which is just as useful. This time, instead of using empty spaces, we'll add a black background directly to your timeline. Start the same way by placing your video onto the main track. Now, head over to CapCut's Media or Stickers library. There's usually a variety of backgrounds and stickers here. Search for a solid black image or sticker. It might take a second to find, but trust me, it's there. Once you've got it, drag this black background to a new track, placing it above your existing video. Here's where a little attention to detail matters. Resize the black background so it fully covers the video frame and stretch it to match the duration you want your black screen to last. For example, if you want a 3-second pause, extend the background for 3 seconds. Realistically, this method works beautifully when you need a black screen on top of other layers, or even want to combine it with some text for special effects. And if you're looking to make your transition extra smooth, CapCut has you covered. Head over to the Animation menu and look for the Fade Out option at the end of your black background clip. Add this and your video will gently fade to black, a nice professional touch that's perfect for soft endings or more cinematic transitions. So whether you're building suspense or including a moment of silence, adding a black screen is easy and really effective with either method. Take your time with the adjustments. Don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly at first. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find yourself using this trick all the time. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button. Feel free to drop any questions or share your own editing tips in the comments below. I love hearing how you make these techniques work for you. And of course, subscribe if you want more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing!